Hi everybody, my name is Abhishek and I am from India. This is my final project for Harvard University CS50 course. So my project is on the A-star pathfinding algorithm. Pathfinding algorithms are used in many places like satellite navigation systems or softwares like Google Maps, video games, etc. This algorithm finds the path between the start and the end node. It also guarantees the shortest path between the two nodes. And this is how the program works. First, you start by selecting the start node by pressing the S key. Then, you create walls or barriers for the algorithm to go around by pressing the left mouse button and dragging around. And when you are done creating the walls like I just did, you can just press the E button on your keyboard to set the end node. And then when you're done with that, you can just press the space bar to get the shortest path. The blue path is the shortest path between the two nodes, and the green boxes are the boxes visited by the algorithm but were discarded because they didn't present the shortest path.